Okay, so you're welcome once again on this channel. And in this video, we'll be talking about how to fix incoming calls not showing up. So if you're using an Android phone and you can't see incoming calls on your phone, then this video is really for you. So to fix this problem, first of all, you have to go to your phone and scroll to find settings. So when you see settings, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next when you reach here is you first have to search for app management. So when you find app management, tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is to tap on app settings, which is the second option. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to search for phone. So you can just scroll to search for phone, or you can tap over here at the search bar at the top to type in phone, or when you type PH, you're going to see it. So just tap on the phone when you see it. So when you tap on the phone, what you have to do next is to tap on permissions. So as you can see, call logs, camera, contact, files and media, and locations are all not allowed. So you have to allow all these. So let's tap on the first one, which is call logs. Then you tap on allow. After that, go back. Then you go to camera. Then you tap on allow only while using the app. So go back. Then you tap on contact. Then you tap on allow. Then go back. Then you tap on file and media. Then now you tap on allow access to media only. Then you go back. Then you tap on location. After that, you tap on allow only using this. So after that, you go back. So after allowing all these, what you have to do is to go back. So when you go back, scroll and you will find storage and cache. So tap on storage and cache. So when you tap on storage and cache, what you have to do is to clear cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do next is to clear storage. So when you tap on clear storage, this is what you're going to see: delete app data. So you tap on OK. After doing this, just go back and tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. So after doing this, go back. Then you go back. Do you get me? So when you get to this section, what you have to do next, or what you have to do lastly, is you have to restart your phone. With this, it's going to help you receive calls. Everything is going to fix after restarting your phone. So you have to off your phone, then you turn it on again. That's the meaning of restart. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms. See you again in my next video.